Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I'm excited to take you along on another cruise ship adventure. I'll be showing you around our room first, so if you're planning your own cruise, you'll have a good idea of what to expect. Let's dive right into the room tour. Let's open a room, and we were pleasantly surprised to find that the door opens automatically. A nice touch. As you can see, there's a good amount of space here. This is Royal Caribbean's balcony stateroom, and it's fully accessible, making it super comfortable for everyone. I'd say the interior of this room feels more modern and chic compared to our room on P&O. Plus, it has a few extra furnishings like the sofa or lounge, a taller cabinet, and additional storage, which definitely makes a difference. We had an issue with our beds at first, so I asked our stateroom attendant to join the twin beds together. They took care of it quickly and with no hassle. So here you can even see some extra storage above the bed. So, opening the door can be automatic. You just have to press that one. And here's the bathroom. I'll show it to you later. And some cupboards, sofa bed, the balcony, and one more storage here. Yeah, so the hang clothes are easily accessible by just pulling this like that. Yeah, for our friends who are using some wheelchairs. They've got really nice handles too, and extra storage and drawers here. And they also have a kettle with 2 cups. And here are the plugs. As you can see, they've got US and European plugs, but they also have USB. And at the bottom of this cabinet is the fridge or the cooler. It's just small. We've got a small dresser, and this table can actually be moved if in case you want to have breakfast somewhere in the room. It's movable. Okay. And then next to the vanity is just a decent sized TV. There you go. Full length mirror before you go outside. Yay! Because we've got an accessible room, then you can expect a bigger bathroom as well. Enough for your wheelchair to get in and out. Yeah. So inside, we've got a Salt and Breeze double duty milk body wash there. And then got a phone, and an emergency bell button just in case you need help for emergency. And then you've got towels. There you go. You've got 2 glasses there. And you've got a soap. That's all you can get. Okay, so make sure you bring like hair conditioner or other stuff. We also have a huge balcony. And since this is an accessible stateroom, it really needed that extra space. There are 2 outdoor chairs with leg rests and a small table, perfect for a bit of private sunbathing. And there you have it. This is Deck 8, Room 674. I think you'll absolutely love this stateroom. It's got everything you need for a comfortable and relaxing cruise.